Be proud of the person you are trying to become at Yugo University Square Melbourne. The property offers ensuite, non-ensuite, and studio apartments. All room types offer a comfortable bed, desk chair, and plenty of storage place. With studio apartments, you would have the entire place to yourself, where you can enjoy your privacy. The property takes care of your needs by offering a cinema, TV area, games area, study pods, access to infinity place gym, and on-site laundry, so that you focus on your best life and we take care of your household chores. To add to these amazing features, with a short drive to the University of Melbourne and Kent Institute, Australia, the property is also surrounded by amazing food chains like the Bergie Seltzer and Prince Alfred Rooftop and Bar. And who does not like a bite of happiness? If you are worried about travel expenses, then you can stay at ease because the property is well connected to a network of bus and train stations that are within walking distance from this lovely accommodation. Write your own love story at Yugo University Square Melbourne. So, what are you waiting for? Book your accommodation today at amberstudent.com.